Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the new point, that is the fundamental equation. Okay. In a last lecture we can studied the electromagnetic spectrum, okay, and the regions: ultraviolet region, visible region and infrared region. Okay. UV region means ultraviolet region is wavelength ranges between 4000 angstrom unit, that is 0.4 micron, and visible region ranges from 4000 to 8000 angstrom unit, and infrared region the wavelength ranges between 8000 angstrom unit and 3,50,000 angstrom unit, that is 0.4 micron and 35 micron. Okay, now the fundamental equations. Here what happened? The molecular spectra are caused by the absorption or emission of the energy by the atoms in the molecule. What? The molecular spectra are caused by the absorption or emission of the energy by the atoms in the molecule. Okay, absorption spectra. Here, absorption spectra. In absorption spectra, what happens? A photon of electronic radiation is absorbed by a molecule, due to which transition from lower to higher energy state. Due to which transition from lower to higher energy state. E1 is lower energy state, that is initial energy, and E2 is final energy. Okay, that is higher energy state. Okay, and in the emission spectra, what happen? In the emission spectra, a photon is emitted by a molecule which makes the transition from higher energy state to lower energy state. What? In the emission spectra, what happen? Transition from higher energy state to lower energy state. Here, higher energy state to lower energy state. Okay. For either the absorption or emission process, the total energy difference. Okay, either absorption or emission. Okay, the total energy difference is delta E is equal to E2 minus E1 is equal to H nu. What? Delta E is equal to E2 minus E1 is equal to H nu. This is the fundamental equation. What? This is the fundamental equation, where the E1 means energy of the lower energy state, that is initial energy. Okay, and E2 means energy of higher energy state, that is final energy. And mu means frequency of radiation. What? Mu means frequency of the radiation, where the H is Planck's constant. Here H is Planck's constant and the value is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. Value is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. Okay, now the next is interaction of electromagnetic radiation. What? Interaction of electromagnetic radiation. So what happened? Here, when a beam of electromagnetic radiation is passed through a substance. What? When a beam of electromagnetic radiation is passed through a substance, it may transmitted or absorbed. It may transmitted or absorbed. The amount of energy actually absorbed, okay, the amount of energy is actually absorbed is depends upon the structure of the molecules. What? The amount of energy actually absorbed is depends upon the structure of molecule. Okay, see the structure. The first one is translation motion, the second one is vibrational motion, and the third one is rotational motion. Here rotational motions. Here translation motions, what happen? This molecule move as a whole through a space. Okay, molecule moves through whole. Molecule move as a whole through a space, that is translation motion. The second one is vibrational motion. Here what happen? center of gravity of the molecule does not move. What? Center of gravity of the molecule does not move, but the atoms move. But the atoms move towards, okay, towards or away from each other. Towards or away from each other. Okay. And the third one is rotational motion. Here what happen? The atoms rotate. This. The atoms rotate about the center of gravity of the molecule. Okay. The atoms rotate about the center of gravity of the molecule, which does not move. Which center of gravity does not move. Okay. Understand? These three are molecules. This one is translation motion, second one is vibrational motion, and the third one is rotational motion. The first, it may lead to the electronic excitation, that is the electrons are raised to a higher energy level. What happened? The electrons are raised to the higher energy level, that is electronic transition. What? That is electronic transition. The absorption is observed in the UV visible region of the spectrum. What happened? The absorption here, absorption is observed in the UV visible region of the spectrum. Second one, it may result in increase in the vibrational energy of the molecule, that is vibrational transition, absorption for which fall in the IR region of the spectrum. What happened? Absorption for which fall in the IR region of the spectrum. Here, it may result in the rotational energy of the molecule, that is rotational transition, due to which absorptions occur in the microwave region. What? Due to which the absorptions occur in the microwave region. Okay. And it may result in the reversal of spin of nuclei or the electron, giving rise to absorption in the radio frequency region. Here, in spectroscopy, the nuclear and translation energies are negligible and they do not interfere in a spectroscopic analysis. Okay, so that total energy of the molecule is considered to be made up of contribution from electronic energy, vibrational energy, and rotational energy. What? This one is, it made up of the contribution from electronic energy, vibrational energy, and rotational energy. That is, E total is equal to E rotational plus E vibrational plus E electronic. What? E total is equal to E rotational plus E vibrational plus E electronic. Okay. Here further the vibrational and the rotational. Further the vibrational and the rotational energies are quantized just like the electronic energy, that is they discrete not continuous values. Okay. So here the interaction of electromagnetic radiation, the point is finished on. Thank you.